Yes, it's me again. Yeah. And I'm back.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Mara More, and if you want more, I'll give you more. So in this video, I have achieved this look for you. It is very quick, easy, effective, neutral, on point. Okay, for anyone, you know, going back to school, still going to work, you know, they still want to look presentable. Even in the house, you just want to wake up, you know, smack on a little something, take a couple selfies, you know, and upload on your Instagram and whatnot. You know, I see you, girl, I see you. Let me show you something, because y'all think I'm playing. Y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Your girl did not come to play. Look at me. I'm glowing, even with the mask on. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. Look at my shirt. Out of office. A lot of folks are out of office. First thing that we're gonna do is prime. I'm gonna be going in with the banana base mattifying primer. This is literally how I would do my makeup if I'm going out. Well, I'm not gonna be going out now. So given that we're only going to be seeing here, well, for some people, because some of y'all don't even wear a mask, okay, this right here is our main focus. So let's go with the brows. Y'all already know what it is. I'm going in with the Technique brow gel. Brush these up. I don't know what's going on with the world. I don't know what's going on. I need a hair clip. This is bothering me. This is like really bugging me. It's actually like affecting me, seeing how many people are like dying every day. Like, it's actually like getting to me. I don't know if you guys feel the same, but it really is just getting to me. I'm just like, I'm gonna go in with a new concealer actually from e.l.f. and this is in Deep Cinnamon. So for the brows, we're gonna focus on getting these brows together because this is the main focus of what people are gonna see anyway. This concealer dries like really quick compared to like the LA Girl Pro concealer. You can see it just drying right in front of me, so I'm blending it as I go. I'm just going to be using the Fit Me foundation for now. It's more matte for me. It doesn't like move as much. Fit Me foundation 352 and truffle. That's looking like skin. This look is like really quick as well. I know that people are in a rush and like the last thing that you want to be doing, you know, I forgot to do this, I forgot to do that, but we still want to look put together, you know. You still want to look presentable. That's skin. That is skin. Look at face and neck.
Face and neck.
This is skin. So we're just gonna go with that same concealer that we use for our brows because I like how it dries quick. Like, I like how it stays in place, you know, and it's thick. Like, this is creamy. So I'm not gonna put it on the chin or further down on the nose because all of this is gonna be covered up. I'm just gonna take a damp beauty blender here. A little bit of that goes a long way. You don't even need that much. Nice. Look at that. Look at that. Look at me. Honey, now we're gonna set. I'm actually gonna use some Revolution baking powder in Deep Dark. I'm gonna take one of my sponges here. Very natural. I like this. Just gonna go in with some True Match blendable powder. I'm just gonna contour, just bring some shape into my face, and I'm just gonna go in with this palette, Velvet Rose, and just go in with that deep color down there. I know you're not gonna see the nose as much, but you'll still see the bridge part. You see what I mean? Oh, I might as well just contour the whole nose. I'm gonna go in with a little blush just on the high points of my face here, because even though the mask will be here, you'll still see a little bit of the color. Really kind of wakes me up a little bit as well. That looks nice. Now that the face is out the way, we're just gonna go to the eyes again, and we're just gonna use a very simple color. So we're just gonna go into this Freedom palette here, and there's this like really like gold shimmer that I really want to use. It's just a very simple color, just so there's something nice on the lids, you know. Look how subtle that is, but it's so pretty. So next we're just gonna go with some mascara, and this is the Body Collection volumizing mascara. Look how long I spent putting mascara on and I still have no lashes. You see your lashes? So we're gonna put on some falsies. So the lashes are on. What I like to do is actually go with some black eyeliner as well. It's a pandemic and people still want to be out doing what they want to do. See the difference? My eyes just look more, you know, more, I think snatched is the word I'm looking for. I'm just gonna go with some Vaseline. No one's gonna be seeing them anyway, but under your mask you want to keep them moisturized, okay? I have this one in a coconut. It's not coconut, cocoa butter, that's it. Or I use Carmex. So you guys, like, this is the finished look. Like, that's it. Quick, let me put my mask on for y'all because y'all think I'm playing. This is a whole look. Look at my eyes. It's like I'm looking right into your soul, like into your mind, into your heart. Look. And then I take it off and I'm still popping. So you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.